Hello, everyone. It's about 11 o'clock on Friday night. I think it's 11 o'clock. And I am going to try the ZzzQuil Pure Z's Triple Action for the first time. I've never tried these. I've tried melatonin in the past and other things, and they have not worked. But these I got at CVS today, and they were about $20. So I'm going to take them. They're gummies. And I'm just going to see and show you guys how they work. So let's see. I'm going to open them up. I think I can open them. I have to squeeze it. Hold on. I'm laying in the bed right now, so I am going to hold on 1 second. There we go. So I have to open the top. I'll use my thumb real quick. See if that works. I might have to use my teeth or a knife. That's what I usually do.